We are at Hangzhou's Linping district. Today we are going to have a tour around the pavilion, visiting 5 different exhibition halls. You will find here interactive games, hand-on exhibits, and also educational activities. So let's explore it together. I'm looking forward to experience a motorcycling ride. Turn properly. The next pavilion is e-fashion town. I've heard that in Linping you have a lot of fashion brands. I'm going to make a photo of my face, and this machine will put my face to the substitute faces of the model. Wow! Do you think it looks like me? We can compare. They are now doing live streaming right now, and we can have a look how everything is happening behind the scenes. Oh, it's quite impressive how intricate those things are. It shows us how beautiful Chinese handicrafts are. If you want to see everything with your eyes and try out the hands-on experience, welcome to visit Linping, and welcome to enjoy the pavilion. Alright, thank you so much. See you. Bye.